Alright, real quick. Let's talk Clippers. Okay, I'm back from a brief intermission. Okay, so the first Clipper that I want to introduce to y'all, this is my list of like what I would go by if I was coming out of barber school right now. And these are my top recommended Clippers for any barber getting into the game or starting off, whatever you want to call it. So, unfortunately, I'm at my house. I'm shooting in the same location that I did yesterday's video in, just trying to pump out content. Anyways, first Clipper I would recommend is the Babyliss FX Clipper. The cordless FX Clipper, that thing's a monster. You guys have all seen it. I'll put some pictures of them up here in the video somewhere. I would recommend those, and then the cordless Andis Masters. And I used to be, this is weird, I used to say I hated Masters, which I still do. I hate corded Masters, but the new cordless Masters, forget about it. I loved my cordless Seniors, but those Masters blow the Seniors out the water to me. I don't know what it is. They cut smooth. They feed hair nice through the blades. They're quiet for now. I mean, I've heard that there's issues with those getting louder over time, but my Seniors got louder too, though. So we're just gonna keep them oiled and hope we can keep them straight. But those two Clippers right there, dunzo. And then for Clippers, those are the top two I would recommend. For trimmers, there's only one trimmer I'm gonna recommend to y'all, and that is the Babyliss FX skeleton trimmer. Crazy trimmer. If you can't afford that trimmer though, I will recommend another one that I used to use a lot, which I really loved, was the Slimline Pro Li. That clipper's dope too. Or trimmer, sorry, that trimmer's dope too. So those two trimmers, the cordless FX skeleton trimmer, and then the what can I think of it now? Slimline Pro Li. Okay, there's your two trimmers and there's your two clippers. Okay, so now as far as shavers go, obviously I use a Bronze Series 9, but if y'all don't want to drop that much money coming out of barber school, I feel you. You can get the Andis trimmer or the Andis shaver, the wall finale shaver. And then I haven't used the Babyliss shaver, but I've heard really good reviews about those, so I'm actually looking to pick up a pair as a backup for my bronze. But I would say Bronze Series 9 if you can afford it and you're willing to shell out the money. And then any other of those foil shavers really do a good job, you know what I'm saying? It's just the bronze are like a workhorse. Like, I don't have to trim down to a trimmer. I can go from a number 1 to bald if I want to, you know what I'm saying? So, and they come with the stand that cleans them and dries them and sanitizes them and does all that fancy stuff and charges them. I just like it a lot better. As far as razors, get you a 245 razor. That's all you're going to need. That's all I'm going to say about that. You know what I'm saying? What else? What else can I cover for y'all? I have a Dyson blow dryer, but I also use the Babyliss. I can't remember the name of the blow dryer that I had from Babyliss, but it was dope though. It was the dang, I have to look that up. It was a Babyliss blow dryer. It was like $100. It did a lot. It did a good. I have it in here somewhere, but it's so faded that the numbers aren't on it anymore. So, but yeah, the Babyliss blow dryer is dope. And then I don't know, what else do y'all want to? What else do y'all want to know about? You know, shave gel, obviously 245 shave gel. What other stuff are y'all looking for reviews on? Let me know in the comment section. This video is extremely short, but it's still a video, and I'm still on that 365 days. You feel me? So, if you guys have any clipper recommendations of what you would want to see a review on, or what you would recommend to a new upcoming barber, drop it in the comment section below. If you like this video today, I know it was a super short one. It was only a couple minutes long. But if you like this video today, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Share this for anybody that you know is looking for some new clippers and wants to know which ones to buy. And yeah, I'm gonna let y'all go. This is gonna be a quick, easy video. I will see y'all in the next one. Tomorrow should be a vlog, so I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace. So the first clipper that I'm gonna introduce to y'all that I would buy